Today we will be going to the St. Stephan Church. As you can see in this area, we have horse carriages. This is a very famous building. I'm not entirely sure what it's called.
What's it called? Stephan Plaza.
Stephan Plaza, the one that is the old one. Here is St. Stephan Church. This is just half of it. As we go inside, you will see the rest.
But first, let's see how it's outside.
But first,
Because
let's see
it's
how it's outside. It's so detailed. It's by far the oldest church and the most famous building here. The details here are amazing.